In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Basecamp data, messages, to-dos, files. We're going to use Basecamp's built-in export, which gathers your messages, to-dos, schedules, and attachments and packages them into a single zip file you can download. This is the most straightforward way to back up your work or move it elsewhere. First, make sure you're signed in as the account owner. Only owners can generate exports, so if you're not the owner, you'll need to ask one to complete this process. It also helps to confirm the owner has access to the email inbox associated with the account, since the download link will arrive there. From the Basecamp home screen, click your avatar and choose Admin Land. Admin Land is the control center for account-wide settings and tools. If you don't see it, double-check that you're on the main dashboard and that you're using an owner-level login. Once you're in Admin Land, scroll down until you find the option labeled Export Data from this account. This is where Basecamp lets you collect data across your projects into a single export. Next, choose which projects to include. You'll see both active and archived projects. Select only what you need to keep the export efficient, or pick everything if you want a full backup. Remember that attachments can be large, so including many projects may make the export file sizable. If you're working on a slower connection or a device with limited storage, consider exporting in batches. When you're ready, click Export My Data. Basecamp will begin preparing a zip file in the background. The time this takes depends on how much data you've selected. Anything from a few minutes to much longer for large accounts. You don't need to keep the page open while it processes. While you wait, it's a good idea to ensure you have stable internet and enough disk space to store the resulting zip. When the export is finished, Basecamp will send an email with a secure link to download the file. Keep an eye on your inbox and check your spam or junk folder if it doesn't show up after a while. Click the link and save the zip somewhere safe and organized, especially if this is part of a regular backup routine. That's it. You've used the built-in export to gather your messages, to-dos, schedules, and attachments into one downloadable package. If you ever need a lighter export, repeat the process and select fewer projects to generate a smaller file.